Hello students, how are you all? Today we will learn preparation of subscription account. In class 12 accountancy, your first chapter is accounting for not-for-profit organizations. In this chapter, we prepare income and expenditure account. In this account, on income side, we write amount of subscription received during the current year. This account is prepared on accrual basis. So how to show amount of subscription and how to find the amount of subscription for the current year, that we will learn today. So without wasting your time, let us see. It can be prepared in two ways. The first way is you can show like this: subscriptions received during the year, which is shown in the receipt and payment account. In that you have to add closing outstanding subscription and opening advance subscription. From that we have to minus opening outstanding subscription and closing advance subscription. Finally, whatever amount you will get, that amount we show on income side in the income and expenditure account. This working you can show on income side in the income and expenditure account. Or you can also prepare working note. Second way is, if you don't want to follow the first approach, second approach is you can prepare subscription account. Whatever amount you are adding, that you can write on credit side of this account, and the amount which we minus, that you have to show on the debit side. The amount of subscription received, total amount of subscription received, which is given in the receipt and payment account, that we show on credit side. So let us see this exercise. From the following information related to a health club, calculate the amount of subscriptions received during the year ended 31st March 2020. Income from subscriptions for the year ended 31st March 2020, 1,20,000. Subscription received in advance during the year ended 31st March 2020 is given 10,000. Subscription outstanding on 1st April 2019, 27,000. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2020 is 22,000. And subscription received in advance on 1st April 2019 is 8,000. Now before we proceed, first we should understand what we have to find. You read question carefully. In the first line it is written, from the following information related to a health club, calculate the amount of subscription received during the year ended 31st March 2020. Means in 31st March 2020, what amount of total subscription we have received, that we have to find. And already in the question you can see the first point, income from subscription for the year ended 31st March 2020, 1,20,000 is given. So this 1,20,000 is already given for the current year, and that will go on income side in the income and expenditure account. So in this question we have not to find the amount which we have to show in income and expenditure account on income side, because it is ready-made given. First item, income from subscription for the year ended 31st March 2020, 1,20,000. That is already given. So what we have to find? Our question is, calculate the amount of subscription received during the year ended 31st March 2020. Now you all know, in a particular year we received not only for the current year, but we also received for the next year, and we also received for the previous year. So in this question we will find total amount of subscription received during the year ended 31st March 2020. So let us see how to solve this question. We have to first prepare subscription account. Columns I have already drawn. Let us write the required things. Subscription account. Here we will write debit, here we will write credit, here particulars and amount rupees. Here also particulars and amount rupees. Now, if you read the question carefully, then in the question, the first item is given income from subscription for the year ended 31st March 2020 is 1,20,000. This 1,20,000 will go on debit side in this way. I am leaving one or two lines to income and expenditure account. Normally we prepare subscription account to find this amount, but in this question it is ready-made given 1,20,000. So this amount is ready-made given 1,20,000. Then second item is given subscription received in advance during the year ended 31st March 2020 rupees 10,000. So it will also go on debit side. It is advance subscription received at the end. That means this is not of current year. It is for the next year. So we will write on debit side subscription received in advance at the end. So debit side we will write to advance subscription and it is of end and the amount of this is given 10,000 rupees. Okay. Thereafter third item is given subscription outstanding on 1st April 2019. That means it is outstanding of previous year, and outstanding of previous year we write on debit side. So debit side, here we will write to outstanding subscription of previous year, means it is of beginning. It is of beginning. And the amount for this is given 27,000 rupees. So understand, on debit side of subscription account what we write? We write outstanding subscription of previous year. We write advance subscription received for the next year. Or in other words, we can say outstanding of the beginning we write on debit side, and advance of end, that is for next year, we write on debit side. Okay. Now the fourth item is given subscription outstanding on 31st March 2020. So it is outstanding of current year, and outstanding of current year we write on credit side. So credit side we write by outstanding subscription, subscription of current year. This is of current year. You can also write at the end, and the amount for that is given 22,000 rupees. Thereafter, next item is given subscription received in advance on 1st April 2019, 8,000 rupees. So it is received in advance in previous year. In 2019 we have received in advance. So last year we received in advance. That means it is of current year. So it will go on credit side. So here we will write by advance subscription, and this is of previous year. So advance subscription, it is of previous year. So you can write in bracket beginning. It is of beginning, or you can also write of previous year, and the amount for this is rupees 8,000. So in this way amount is given. Now you should understand what we write on credit side. Credit side we write outstanding of current year, and we also write advance subscription of previous year, that means of beginning. Now we will make total and we will find the difference. So let us make the total of this account. If we make the total of this account, then we can see the debit side total is more. If you make the total, then total will come 1,57,000. This total we will write on both sides, 1,57,000. Now here 22,000 and 8,000 is given, and here 1,57,000. So difference will come. Let us find out the difference. So the amount of difference will come, this is 30. So 1,27,000. This is 30,000 minus from 157, so 127,000. So this 1,27,000 is the total amount of subscription received during this year. So here we will write by bank account, or you can also write by receipt and payment account. This is balancing figure. So now you can easily understand that in this question, this amount is ready-made given, which we show on the income side. This is outstanding of previous year. This is advance of current year. This is outstanding subscription of current year. And this is advance of previous year. And this is the total amount of subscription received during this year. So this was the question which was asked. So in this way, you have to prepare subscription account. I think you must have understood this question. And if you have any doubt, please put your comment, and please also subscribe this channel. Your doubt will be solved. You can also recommend your topic on which you need next video. Thank you. Goodbye.